He was exonerated 3 months ago, but a Marine colonel is still sitting in the brig at Camp Pendleton. Good evening. I'm Steve Atkinson.
And I'm Kimberly Hunt. Colonel Dan Wilson has been fighting for his release, which may happen later this week. 10 News reporter Matt Boone spoke to his wife and lawyer about why it's taken so long to get him out.
Kimberly, here's a 57-page opinion issued back in July exonerating him of that sexual assault charge. However, he was still convicted on 2 lesser charges. But on Wednesday, he'll finally learn whether or not he'll be released or he'll have to stay behind bars as he waits for that sentencing hearing.
Colonel Dan Wilson has been in the brig for nearly 3 years. He was convicted in 2017 of sexually assaulting a 6-year-old girl while stationed at Camp Lejeune in North Carolina. But in July of this year, that conviction was overturned by a panel of appellate judges.
It's exceedingly rare. It is once a decade sort of thing.
That's Katie Cherkosky, Wilson's attorney. 3 months later, she says the government has exhausted its ability to appeal any further, but Wilson remains behind bars.
It's completely ridiculous that they're continuing to hold him. He's been exonerated of the most serious charge against him.
He was still convicted for an unauthorized leave and conduct unbecoming of an officer. But in the 57-page appellate decision, the judge said the sexual assault conviction was, quote, legally and factually insufficient, putting Wilson in a rare legal territory as military prosecutors scrambled to figure out what to do.
The government seems just as confused as we are with legalities.
Colonel Wilson's wife, Susan, is now trying to get her husband out and clear his name.
I know my husband didn't do it. I was there the entire time.
But Adrienne Perry, the mother of the girl, is now launching her own fight, trying to petition Congress to get rid of the factual sufficiency rule. On Twitter, she wrote, quote, "They are using this rare authority in a negligent manner and predators are being set free," adding, "This cannot happen to another victim. It's cruel."
That release hearing is scheduled for Wednesday at 8 a.m. and the family of that girl is also planning on holding some sort of news conference later this week, so we'll hear what they have to say as well. Reporting in the Live Center, Matt Boone, 10 News.